Today I've secured this Hyundai Ioniq 5 with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So with the customer's phone in the vehicle, nothing really changes. They'll just hop in, start it up, hear their melody, which confirms that it's them, and it's disarmed. They can drive the car. They can also use a push sequence for this. So if they didn't want to use their phone, their Bluetooth was out of range, or they're out one day and their phone went flat, they can use the push sequence. And the way they do that is start it up, pop their code in, hear their disarm tone, and they can drive it. So you don't always need to use the phone, or if the phone runs out of battery, you can use the code. So now we'll just show you how it protects the vehicle. So obviously a thief's stolen the key, gone to take the vehicle away, they start it up, it goes to ready. As soon as they go to drive a gear, select a gear and drive away, vehicle's going to cut out. As you can see, ready's disappeared, we're unable to move it, and it's popped back into park. This is the Starline Pro Immobiliser. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.